Right guys, early brain development is one of those topics that's easy to forget, so here's a quick timeline on everything that you need to know for your exam, including what happens, when it happens, and any key vocabulary that they could ask you about. In the womb, brain development starts at around week 3 when a neural tube forms. This neural tube will eventually become your brain. At week 4, this neural tube will split into a spinal cord, forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Then 2 weeks later, in week 6, the forebrain will split into the cortex and the thalamus. The cortex is the outer layer of the brain where thinking and processing occurs, and the thalamus is the brain area that collects all sensations from our senses and passes them to the cortex to be processed. Around about week 15, the hindbrain then splits into the cerebellum and the brainstem. The cerebellum is responsible for your balance and your coordination, and your brainstem is responsible for autonomic functions like breathing and heart rate. Round about week 24, the brain will now be fully formed, but it's not its full size yet. And then finally, round about week 40 at birth, the baby's brain will be about a quarter the size of an adult. And within its first year, it will double in size. Brain development hasn't finished. It continues roughly until we're approximately 20, 25. And this does largely explain why teenagers are more likely to engage in risk-taking behaviours compared to adults. All right, guys, that's everything you need to know for a timeline for how the brain develops in the womb. Covers all your keywords. Hopefully that's helpful for you.